how's it going? It's Cassie. I'm currently at Richie's house right now, and today is a special day because I'm finally letting my hair wizard of a friend, Hair by Sarmad, do my hair. How long has it been since I last dyed my hair, Rich?
Probably
February? It's been 6 months since he has touched my hair, so I'm gonna let him touch it again, and I decided to record it this time because I'm not only letting him touch my hair, I'm letting him decide what to do with my hair. I booked this appointment a couple of weeks ago, and then I messaged Sarmad saying, hey, do whatever you want, whatever your heart's desire is, just do whatever you want to my hair. It's pretty long, I guess. The roots have definitely grown out a bunch. It was definitely a lot more brown when he last dyed it. This is how it turned out. What you think? I think it looks amazing. All right, guys, so we're on our way to prep. I am a little bit nervous. I don't know, my cousin's here. Say hi, Jam. Or technically he's my uncle, but he's younger than me. Anyways, I don't know how to feel. I feel like ever since I got my hair dyed like bright pink when I was Lava Girl Cassie, like nothing phases me anymore. So he could literally do whatever he wants.
What's the one thing though that you are scared for him to do?
Shave it.
No, like color-wise.
Color? Oh, I don't care anymore.
Okay.
All right. What?
Do not say do whatever you want because I will do whatever I want.
I told you to do whatever you want today. Anything. Anything. Oh my gosh. So we're here at prep. Sarmad is so excited. I'm so excited. Ooh, that's refreshing.
Whatever I want.
Whatever you want. Ooh, we're gonna cut it first, guys. This is the before. Okay.
Yeah.
You guys can see this? Before hair. Wait.
You said
should
no.
Should we do a wait? Oh my!
Too late.
Wow, I haven't had. Whoa, that's a.
Do whatever you want.
Oh my gosh, I haven't had short hair since like I was 19.
Oh my god, I like it. It's full.
I already like it.
Fresh.
Can we just? Whoa.
It looks so good. It looks nice. Like that leg, yeah.
R.I.P. by who is she? No one knows. No one cares. Okay, we did both sides. I love it already. I vibe with it.
We got her here.
What are you doing?
Good, look.
She's not looking at me.
Oh,
We got her
hey. Already?
here. Yeah.
I like it. I told you you look good with short hair. Wow.
If I ask Velvet for extensions, which one should I ask? It's like so weird, like I'm running my fingers down and it stops.
How are you feeling?
Editing right now. I feel the heat on my head.
I didn't know you were going back to blonde.
I didn't, wait, no one knew.
No one knew. It just happened.
Okay. We shall see. We shall see how this progresses.
You have a big head.
What do you think of the finished look?
Love it. Love the silver.
It's like gold, it's kind of shiny, you know?
Yes. All right.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that this was happening today, but we're going with it.
We're going with
We
it.
are going with it.
Huh? Yeah.
Alright, hey guys, so this is my hair. It's actually been 2 days since, I guess, the last thing that you guys saw, but this is my hair right now. I haven't had short hair, like I said, in a really long time. However, my poor hair follicles, I actually did not inform Sarmad of the state of my hair, and I've been definitely a little bit sloppy when it comes to hair care. And when I came back from the Philippines, I obviously went island hopping, and I guess the sun like really just fried my hair. So when he did end up bleaching it, we washed it, we dried it, a lot of my hair actually started breaking, so I have a bit of breakage. I can't really see, yeah, I have a little bit of breakage. So it was definitely not what we thought my hair was going to react to all of the bleaching and stuff like that, but we should have expected it because my hair literally went from pink to purple to like blonde, everything. So we should have expected that my hair was gonna really like not react well. Definitely not Sarmad's fault. I should have taken care of my hair a lot better, but so this is how it looks like right now. I think Sarmad nailed the color. It's like really, really pretty, like gray, kind of ashy blonde. However, right now I'm at WeWork, as you can see, but in like 30 minutes I'm gonna go head downtown because Sarmad asked if I wanted to put in hair extensions because he works really close with Bellamy Hair Extensions, as you guys may or may not know. So yeah, I'm really excited. We might do tape-ins, but yeah, we're gonna go do that. So we're at Bellamy right now, picking out a color to match my hair. So today, I think we're gonna add some like volume to my hair instead of like adding length, because he wants to keep it short. But obviously, like a lot of it broke off, and my hair was thin anyway, so he's just gonna add some more volume and make the cut a little bit more blunt, I think. Yeah. Tape-ins. We're gonna do tape-ins. We're putting in 2 sets of tape-ins. They're different, right?
Yeah.
So we got, what's this called? Dark brown, blonde ombre, and then hair toffee blonde highlights. Cupcakes, we got our LaCroix, we got our extensions, and we're gonna start applying.
Got everything.
You're literally taping it into my hair.
Yeah.
It's sticky. Oh my gosh.
They are sticky.
Sticky. Just like that, I have long hair again. Whoa. But we're gonna cut it. He's gonna cut it and then he's gonna texturize it. But the blend, like, it's amazing. And so soft too. I swear Bellamy has like the best hair extensions in the game. So we're putting in our last one. My hair feels so thick. Like, I don't think I could ever achieve this like thickness naturally. It's so incredibly thick. Alright guys, so here is the finished product. It looks so natural, like this it feels like I don't have any extensions in. It's really weird. Like, it's really light, like it feels like a lot more full, but not like super heavy. And it looks really good curl. I really love it. I love it. Thank you, Sarmad. Follow him at Hair by Sarmad. We're done. It's perfect. I'm so happy with it. I love the length. I love the color. I think it looks it complements my skin tone for sure. So, yay! It is so thick. I love it. So yeah, until the next time, I don't know what we're doing next, but I'm just gonna enjoy this.